Hello, I'm very excited because in this box is the latest and the most advanced red light therapy panel from Mito Red Lights. And in this video I'm going to unbox it for you, show you how it looks, how it works, and hopefully provide you with enough information so you can make the well-informed decision if this is the right panel for you. And as you see, the panel is just perfect size for doing light therapy for my face, neck, and this shoulder area. By the way, this video is not sponsored by anyone, but I'm affiliated with Mito Red Lights and they kindly send me these lights so I can demonstrate how it looks, how it works. And because I'm affiliated with them, I can offer you a discount link. So if you choose to purchase it using my link, you will have a 5% discount and I will earn small commission. It is a win-win for everyone. And now let's see what's in the box. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, I've got some tape here. Anywhere else? I don't think so. Okay. Probably we need to do like this, turn it around so you can see it better. Okay. So we've got the foam here. We've got a sticker. Attention, this device emits very intense light, including light in the near-red spectrum, which is invisible to the naked eye. Do not stare directly into the LEDs. Okay, we've got an instruction manual. We've got the light. I think it's connected with the table stand. So yeah, see a light with the table stand. I'll just unpack it with that foil. Here we are. Actually, I hold it upside down. It should be this way. Okay, let's put it aside for a moment and see what else we've got here. Here in a box we have also a box with eye protection. We've got translucent goggles. They have a special green tint and they are designed to block red and near-infrared light. But the good thing about them is that when you put them on, you actually see what's happening. While if you put different types of goggles, which we might also have here, yes, we also have the other types of goggles, they block entirely your light. So if you put this one on, you won't see anything because they just totally block all the light. But the good thing about those goggles is that can you see very thin straps. So if you put them over your eyes, all this area of your skin will actually be well treated by light. While if you use these goggles, can you imagine this blocks quite a large area near your eyes. So if you really want to have all these wrinkles around your eyes well treated with light, probably you want to use these goggles instead. Okay, what else we've got here? We've got a power cord here, and we've got the mounting options. So what have you got in the mounting here? we've got straps with a big carabiner. So we've got a large carabiner, really well made, as you see. Then we've got one strap here. Let's just maybe move away this box. It will help us see better what else we got here. And we've got one carabiner, one strap. We've got two metal cables which go on top of the light when you want to hang it on the door, on the wall. We've got another carabiner with a strap. This one is short strap, and large carabiner, this is long strap. They usually offer two of each size. So you've got two long and two short, because it's like a redundancy, so just in case one fail, that the other is still holding, just extra protection. And we've got a door hook which you put on your door and to just mount the light on it. And here is the light itself. Let me just open that table stand. Okay, it's quite rigid, which is good because it means the light won't move much. Okay, and then here you are. This is the light panel, and if we were using it for face therapy, like most people use it for skin anti-aging, that we would just basically position it this way, put the goggles on and turn the light. Alright, so I connected the panel with the power cord, and here we've got some sort of foil protecting our touchscreen panel, so we just move it away. At the back, as you see, there's a main switch which is for turning on the light. Then let's have a look. We've got a control panel on, and what we've got here, let's just usually when the light is set up to have standard setup for red and near infrared all wavelengths, and as you see here it shows 10 minutes because this is the recommended setting when you do light therapy on one area for 10 minutes. But of course, if you start red light therapy, you've never done it before, then perhaps you want to start maybe with 2 minutes first, then 5 minutes, and then after, let's say, a week or two, go up to 10 minutes. So you let your body adjust to light therapy, so it's not like too much shock for the system. But of course, everybody is different. Some people tolerate light very well, and some people need to adjust a little bit longer. So you just tailor the time of the session according to what your preference is. So here I've got 10 minutes, and probably if I press it, it will start working. Let's just see. Yeah, and press run, and the light is on, as you see here. I'm not going to point directly towards camera because the camera doesn't like so much brightness of the light, but this is how it looks when it works. I think it's now full blast, and it's red and near infrared all the wavelengths, and I think this panel has got 8 wavelengths of light, so it's a lot of therapeutic light, and it's beneficial for many different wellness issues. So let me just turn it off now. Oh, I actually need to find out how to turn it off. Here. That's it. Looks like I need to actually have a look at this panel and first learn all its features, and I'm going to do it in another video because I need to spend with this light a little bit to just find out all the really amazing features it's got and what we can actually set in this panel. You can of course adjust all the settings using digital control panel, but this light is also compatible with the mobile app. So if you prefer to use it this way, you just download the app and control the light using your mobile, so whatever you prefer. And let me just quickly show you if I do light therapy for face, beauty, anti-aging, what is probably one of the most popular uses of this kind of equipment. What I need to do is just to put goggles on. So I put my glasses away, put the goggles on, and then start the session. And as you see, the panel is just perfect size for doing light therapy for my face, neck, and this shoulder area. So all that skin on this area will have a nice light treatment. And of course, you can use this panel in many other areas. You can do it for your joints, you can use it in bed to do some therapy, for instance, for your achy muscles in your back. I will demonstrate it using this light with different positions. So if you are new to red light therapy, please consider subscribing so you don't miss videos about those topics. Let me just switch it off again here. This is how simple it is to operate this light. I actually need to learn all the features of this light, and then in the next video I will demonstrate you in detail what you can adjust, how you can adapt the session directly to your specific goals. This light is called ADAPT for a reason, because it's got 11 different modes of light, and you can adapt the light output to your specific therapeutic goals, which is quite unique feature in the market. And this might be very useful if you have different family members with different problems they want to solve using light therapy. So for instance, let's say younger people may do light therapy for their muscle and joints because they do a lot of sports. Elderly might use specific wavelengths to help them with achy muscles and maybe some sort of pain in joints. Adults in the family may use it to make sure that their skin is not aging so fast, so do some anti-aging. So everybody has got something to choose from these 11 light modes, and that's why this light is quite versatile, and it's called ADAPT for a reason. Front panel contains LEDs with multiple chips inside. So this is just lens, and then there are at least 2 LEDs inside the chip, shining with different wavelength of light. You've got control panel, vents on one side and on the other. And on the top we've got these screws to mount the light on the door, with all the equipment already provided in the box. At the back we have main switch, socket for the power cord, 2 fans, and the mounting for the table stand. If we unscrew these 4 screws, we can detach the whole table stand, and then we can hang the light on the door with the door hook provided already in the box. And these holes are for mounting on a horizontal stand or vertical stand together with other panels. And these rubber feet are for making sure that when the panel is against the wall or the door, there's still some gap for the fan to work properly. And let me quickly show you again what's in the box. So you've got the light, you've got the power cord, you've got two goggles, one translucent and one not. So you can choose which one you prefer. You've got 4 carabiners, very good quality, large and really solid. You've got 2 long straps, 2 short straps, and you also have this mounting cables, which you add here on top of the light, so you can hang it on the door if you prefer. And for hanging on the door, you've got this door hook. So you basically attach the light to the strap, that this one goes here, and then the bottom part goes to the light, which I will demonstrate in another video. Okay, so here is my short video of unboxing this light, and in the next one I will show you all the other features, and hopefully demonstrate in another videos how to use it in bed or for other problems, like for instance achy knees, maybe some lower back pain, and so you know how to use light therapy using this light for different therapeutic goals. And of course this light panel is just a well-being device, it's not a treatment device, it's not a medical device. So it just uses the benefits of red light affecting our body to improve our wellness in many levels. And red light is known for reducing pain, speeding up recovery of tissue, muscles and joints, and also helping with brain function, helping with sleep patterns, and generally improving our well-being by boosting our energy. So it's a lot of benefits from a simple device, and I believe that each member of our family can benefit from using it. So thank you very much for watching. If you are new, please consider subscribing, and if you already decided that you like this panel, then go ahead and use my affiliate link to get a discount and purchase it 5% cheaper at no extra cost to you, and I will earn small commission, which I really appreciate for your support. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.